children. Have a nice day. Welcome to Standard 7 Science online class. I hope all are safe and fine at home by the grace of God. Children, this is your Unit 5 Reproduction and Modification in Plants. So, children, plant modification. There are three types of modification, children. Yes. Already we have learned the two types already. Yes or no? Yes. One is modification of root. Another one is modification of stem. Okay. There are two types already over. This is your third type, children. Modification of leaf. Modification of leaf. Here the plants have changed themselves to adapt the environment they grow. And here the one of them, they modified the plants have several different types of modifications here, children. And see here the spine. Okay, they are different form based upon their purpose and their environment. Now let's see the spine. Okay, and see the nice diagram, children. See the beautiful diagram. Yes, so this is opentia. Okay, here the leaves are reduced to spines and stem is modified into green succulent part to perform their photosynthesis. See the beautiful diagram, children. Yes, and this is the best example of what? Spine. Okay, example is opentia. Okay, this plant is opentia leaf. And next we are going to learn tendrils. Okay, so here what are tendrils, children? You see the tendrils, children. Yeah, tendrils means climbing the roots, climbing the leaf. And in climbers, the leaf of the plants, okay, would be modified into elongated structure. That's very important, children. Elongated structure to help them climb efficiently. Okay, and there are two examples they are given. One is called it as Gloriosa superba. Here the leaf tips are modified into tendrils. And the next one is what? Pisum sativum. See the diagram, children? Yeah, this is called it as Pisum sativum. Okay, and here that is called it as P. Okay, terminal leaflets are modified into tendrils. See the diagram, children? Yeah, it's very nice diagram, children. Yeah, this is the best example of tendrils. This is clear to you, children? Yes, and the third one is pylode. Okay, and pylode. So pylode is nothing but this is the acacia, okay, family. Acacia aricaliformis, okay. Here the petioles expand to perform the leaf-like structure. Okay, they carry out of the functions of the leaf. Photosynthesis method, children. Yes. And here next one. So see the picture of this phyllode, children. Acacia. This is the plant of acacia. Yeah, very nice picture, children. Yes, and the next one is fourth one, traps. So what is traps? Traps is nothing but you see the plants that grow in nitrogen deficiency places. Okay, children, and adapt themselves to get it more amount of oxygen and carbon dioxide also, children. In this Nepenthes plant, okay, these leaves are modified into flask like structure. See the diagram, children? Yeah, flask like structure. Okay, and here they are used to attract insects and the other tiny animals also. Here the inner walls of the leaf, okay, secretes digestive enzymes. That's very important, that helps to digest the insects and extract the nitrogen needed for the plant. This is clear to you, children. It's very nice picture la. Yes, next one, okay, this is clear to you, children. Yeah, and here the lesson is over, children. Okay, here now let's move for the points to remember. Already they are given the different definitions. Okay, reproduction, sexual reproductions and fertilizations, and gynosia, male reproductive part, and then says two types of pollinations. Okay, self pollination and cross pollinations. Agents, okay, what are the agents? They are taking their pollinators. Okay, wind, water, insect. These are all the different types of pollinators. And so these are all the points to remember, children. And this lesson also over, children. Is it clear to you? Yes. So now I'll give you the 1 marks, children. Okay, take your textbook, children. Yes, already I'll give you the 1 marks, children. Yes, take the Roman letter 1, choose the correct answer, children. Take it. Children, this is your 5th unit, children. Okay, take your textbook, children. Already have complete your assignment, children. Yes. Take your science book, children. See the Roman letter 1. Okay, vegetative propagation by leaves takes place in option A, bryophyllum. And second one, asexual reproduction in yeast is option D, budding. Okay. Third one, reproductive part of a plant is dash. Option D, flower. Fourth one, pollinators are, okay, wind, water, insects. So all the above. Fifth one, climbing roots are seen in. Okay, here A and B is the correct answer. So both of them, betel and black pepper. Clear? Yes. Fill in the blanks, children. And the first one, the male reproductive part of a flower is dash. Androecium. Okay, spelling Androecium. Androecium. Second one, dash is the basal swollen part of the gynoecium. Ovary. 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 Third one, after fertilization, the ovule becomes seed. 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 Fourth one, breathing roots are seen in mangrove plants. Okay, Mangrove. Mangrove plants. Fifth one, onion and garlic are example for bulb. 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 Okay, and now let's see the true or false. Third one, state true or false. Okay, first one, a complete flower has 4 whorls. Okay, the statement is true. And second one, the transfer of pollen to the stigma is known as pollination. Okay, this statement also true. Third one, conical shaped root is carrot. Okay, this is also correct statement. So the answer is true. Fourth one, ginger is an underground root. Okay, this statement is false, children, because ginger is an underground stem. Very good. So the answer is false. And fifth one, leaves of aloe vera are fleshy and store water. That statement also true. And see the math the following, children. Petal, okay, petal, attract insects. Fern, spores, okay. Third one, phylloclade. The answer is chrysanthemum, okay. Fourth one, hooks, bignonia. Hooks, bignonia. And last one is sucker, okay. Opuntia. Sucker, Opuntia. Okay, already I'll give you the question answers, children. This is clear to you? Yes. Okay, children. See the Roman letter 9? Yes. Take your science book. See the Roman letter 9. Assertion and reasoning type of questions. See the first question, children. Assertion is given. Pollination and fertilization in flowers produces fruits and seeds. So reason, after fertilization, ovule becomes fruit and ovule becomes seed. Okay, this is the reason. So the correct answer is option C. Assertion is correct, a reason is correct. Okay, so the statement is correct. This is clear to you? Yes. Okay, children, fine. See the second question. The example of conical root is carrot. Okay, the statement is true, children. So reasoning, it is an adventitious root modification. Okay, here the answer is option A. So assertion is incorrect. Okay, and reason is correct. This is clear to you, children? Yes. So the second one, option A. Answer is option A. And see the picture based questions, children. Roman letter 10. Okay, see the first Roman letter. Observe the picture and draw the labels. So this is your correct picture, children. Yes. Yes. And see here, this is called it as stigma. Okay, here this is called it as stigma, and here this is called it as style, and here this portion is called it as ovary, and this portion is called it as oval. This is clear to you? Yes. Here this is petal, Okay, here this is anther, and this portion is called stamen, and this greenest portion is called sepal. This is clear to you, children? Yes. So mark properly. This is your parts of your flower. This is an important 5 mark questions also, children. Okay, fine. And see here, Roman letter 2. Identify the 4 plants shown in the following. Name the different modification in each of them. Okay, they are giving name and modification. What are the names are given? Garlic, turnip, rose plant and maize. So you have to write the modification, children. This is your correct answer, children. Yes, take the pencil and write the answers, children. See the first one, garlic. Okay, so the modification, underground stem modification. Garlic is underground stem modification. This is clear to you, children? Yes. Second one, turnip. Okay, and modification, tap root modified for storage. Okay, that is top shaped. And third one, rose plant. You see the rose plant, children? How many of you like rose plant? Yeah, me too. Okay, all of you like rose plant. Here are the modifications. Stem used for vegetative propagation. That is asexual reproduction in cutting. Okay. And fourth one, maize. Maize means, stilt root. Okay. Stilt is the example for what? Sugar cane. Adventitious root produced from the nodes for mechanical support. Okay. This is clear to you, children. All the 1 marks I'll give you, children. So write in your textbook properly, children. Okay, already I'll give you the question answers, children. Roman letter 5, 6, 7 already over, children. So I'll give you today names and modification and parts of your flower. Okay, so write neatly in your science book only. Okay, not classwork, only science book. And complete your assignment. Report as task completed message, children. Children, next week you have a first midterm, start your examination, children. So you have a science portions, children, 3 units. Okay, already you know. First unit measurement. Okay, and third unit matter around us, and fifth unit, this unit, reproduction and modification in plants. So these 3 units already I'll give you 1 marks and question answers, everything, children. So learn, concentrate this 3 units. Okay, thank you, children. God bless you.